Welcome to another Interval Magic video tutorial. My name is Tom. Today's lesson, the key card principle. Now, what is a key card? Well, you're going to find out in just a second. But long story short, a key card is a secret card known to you but not the spectators that allows you to find any chosen card. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the magic. Hi Amy, nice to meet you. Do me a favor, take this deck of cards, shuffle them to your heart's content. Maybe even shuffle them more thoroughly. Good job. You know what, for good measure, what I'm going to have you do is take off approximately half, cut it aside, then take what used to be the bottom and place it on top. One complete cut. That will randomize the deck, so do me a favor and do that. Good job. Now, do that as many times as you wish. Okay, are you satisfied? Do you feel that I've influenced your shuffle or your cut in any way? No, because it really was, you are in control. So, Amy, what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to spread the cards like this, face down. I want you to place your finger straight up in the air like this. Then you're going to hover your finger above the deck like this. And as you do that, I'm going to have you just on impulse simply drop your finger somewhere on one of the cards, pull one card toward you, look at it, and that'll be the beginning of this trick. So go ahead, place your finger there and go back and forth. Good job. Good job. Place one card toward yourself, which you've just done. Now, do me a favor, show everybody that card. Make sure everyone sees it, except me, of course, because that makes my job a lot easier. Okay, you all see it? Now, Amy, what we're going to do is something very simple. All I'm going to do is just divide the deck at a random location. I'm going to have you place your card right back right there. Perfect. So we're going to bury your card. It doesn't have to be exactly in half. As long as it's somewhere in the deck, I want you to focus on your card. Okay? Could be a spade, heart, club, or a diamond. Amy, this is the craziest thing. When a magician picks a playing card, what happens is people forget something very important. They forget that they leave their fingerprints on the card. And the card they select, they touch even more. And remember, everyone's fingerprints are very unique. So if I were to spread this deck of cards, Amy, and I were to actually go through the deck, in fact, for good measure, I want you to take the deck and cut it. So take half, just like you did before, and complete the cut. And I'd like you to do this a few times at least. Do it as many times as you wish, just don't take too long. Okay, good. So now we have the deck in a randomized order, thanks to you. You've selected one card after shuffling and cutting a deck. You've left your fingerprints on it. I'm going to prove to you. Now, come a little closer. Good. Now, hold out your hand like this. I want to look at the fingerprints. Very, very, very delicate work here. But if I look at the fingerprints, and I compare your fingerprints to those in the deck, I'm going to remove a couple of different cards here. The ones that kind of look like you touched them, there are a few others, but only on the corners. So basically, you touched these three cards, probably more, but you really, it doesn't matter what order they're in, by the way, because the fingerprints are on there. I don't want to smear them too much. But if I look through here and compare your hand, looks like your fingerprints are on this, but not really on the front. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Yeah, let me see. You know what? I think I've narrowed it down. Amy, name your card. The Six of Clubs. Oh, sometimes I miss. But not this time. And there you have it, Amy. The fingerprint card trick. Thanks for helping. Okay, so the way this trick works, now it's hard to tell because I don't really have an actual assistant helping me, but you can have anybody shuffle and cut the deck of cards, and you spread the cards out, they take one. Now, when they put it back in, the reason you know what their card is, or the reason you can find it, is because they the 10 of spades. So, I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, as usual, please email me at tom@intervalmagic.com. Thank you.